Hello animal lovers, welcome back again to my channel, The Animal Zoo. Today I am presenting to you interesting facts about Nile crocodile. Let's have a look. Please subscribe my channel, like and share to your family members and friends. Keep with me till the end of the video. Let's have a look. The Nile crocodile is a large and powerful reptile that lives in Africa. It is one of the most dangerous animals in the world and can attack almost and every prey who comes near the water, which are some interesting facts about Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile is the largest crocodile in Africa and can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh up to 1,650 pounds. It has thick, scaly skin that protects it from injuries and a long, muscular tail that helps it to swim and balance. The Nile crocodile has a huge mouth and about 64 to 68 sharp teeth that can crush bones and tear flesh. It has a powerful bite force of about 5,000 pounds per square inch, which is the one of the most strongest among all the animals. The Nile crocodile is an ambush predator that waits for the prey to come close to the water. Also, the lungs and the grabs it with its jaws. It can eat fish, birds, reptiles, mammals, and even other crocodiles in the small size. It can also drag its prey underwater and brown it prey underwater to drown or spin it around the ribs of the chunks of meat. The crocodile is a social animal that can live in groups called packs or flocks. It communicates with other crocodiles using sounds, body language, and other chemical signals. It has also a hierarchy based on size, age, and largest, oldest male being dominant ones. Let's have a look. Nile crocodile is a caring parents. The parents which that dig a hole in the sound for their children. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.